Inakuwa ni siku ya kihistoria bila shaka kuweza kuwa na wageni kutoka sehemu mbalimbali nyanja.
Is very rampant in terms of the complaints that we receive from this area. Is that this is an area again that is coming up and growing very fast. The problem is what we call mixed development. Problem is that the town requires planning, because we find, for example, that we have industrial developments coming, we have factories coming up. At the same time, we have residential buildings coming up. We are also having other developments also coming up. You will find, for example, that in this place, problem of change of user, because it was agricultural, and now again maybe it went to residential. From residential, it's now going to industrial, and you realize, for example, we have complaints of Wananchi saying that there is a factory that has been is coming up or is being put up in a place, and requires obviously after if EIA is not fully done, then problem will be in the next 5 to 10 years, people will be complaining that there is a factory that is polluting the environment around, and therefore there is need for the county government to ensure that proper fiscal planning. Na kwa hivyo tunataka tuimize na tuombe county government waanzishe kama inawezekana, because it is the right of these people living around, so that they can have a sewerage system, so that they can have water that is actually clean, quality water. Otherwise, if we continue with the kind of septic tanks that we have, we are actually endangering people's lives.